Hello everyone, I'm Tan Lu from KEDA Suremaker. I am currently at our manufacturing base. As a leader in holistic AAC plant solution equipment, we have built a vertically integrated manufacturing and assembly system. Driven by digitalization and greening, we are committed to delivering complete AAC plant solutions and services worldwide. Let's go and find out. Who leads in welding technology? KEDA Suremaker's welding workshop is a top contender. It features world-class Panasonic welding robots, over 40 Panasonic gas-shielded welders, a Lincoln submerged arc welding system, and more than 10 3D positioning platforms. From simple parts to complex components, a photoelectric tracking and sensing system ensures precise, reliable welds and accurate dimensions. Integrated with bending, rolling, heat treatment, and other supporting equipment, the process achieves a seamless flow from forming to welding. This builds the strongest welding foundation for overall machine performance, delivering high quality and high efficiency. That is the quality confidence of premium equipment. KEDA Suremaker is committed to delivering complete AAC plant solutions and services worldwide. Welcome to inquire anytime.